Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy Christmas makeup tutorial for you, and today is Christmas Eve, so I have a very busy day. I did do a poll on my YouTube channel yesterday and quite a few of you said that you wanted to see an easy makeup look. Now yesterday I did do my Christmas party get ready with me. That's more of a glam look, the false lashes, just everything. It looks so beautiful. So this one is going to be very different to yesterday's one. This one is an easy makeup tutorial and it's something that you can recreate very easily. You can change some of the steps if you wanted to. You don't even have to add some of these steps in, but this is a full makeup look and the majority of these products are different from yesterday because I wanted to create a look that was completely different to yesterday. So today I have the glittery eyes and the bright red lips. So I always do a red lip for Christmas because it's Christmas. That's what I always do. And some of these products are probably going to be no surprise to you guys if you watch my channel that I'm actually using them, because they are some of my favourites. I know that they work out so well. They last all day as well. Because it is Christmas Eve, it's a very busy day for me, so I'm doing this makeup tutorial. I'm going out for lunch. I have loads of editing to do, some more filming to do. I'm making sausage rolls. I'm making a Yule log ready for tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm spending Christmas Day at my parents' house. I do that every single year and it's just so much fun. So yeah, today is a very busy day for me. So anyway, if you want to see this easy makeup look, then just keep watching. I've zoomed you in a little bit closer just so you can see how the products apply to my skin, what it looks like naturally as well. I don't use any filters on my videos. So anyway, I've already done my primers and I use two from e.l.f. These ones are so good. So the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer I use all over the skin, and then the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer I use to prime my eyes. So I do it underneath my eyes and also my eyelid. This is amazing because it helps with any fine lines that you have under the eyes. Also helps your concealer glide on a lot easier and stay on all day as well. So I love these two. And what I'm going to use for foundation, I'm actually going to use the same foundation as yesterday because this is a go-to of mine. And I absolutely love it, and this is my second bottle and it's almost finished, so you know that I love it. So this is the Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow foundation. Absolutely love this stuff. I'm going to mix it with the Le Beige Fluid Illuminizer in Sunkissed. Now I do have the lighter shade, however the lighter shade has just died and I don't want to open a brand new bottle, so I'm trying to use up what I already have. So I'm going to mix these two together. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of the foundation and then add a pump of the illuminizer. And then what that tends to do is create a really nice glowy foundation. This foundation is glowy anyway, but the whole idea of today is full on glow everywhere because this is an easy makeup tutorial, so we just want glow as much as we can. For concealer, I'm using my trusty Tarte Creamy Shape Tape. I love this concealer and this is full coverage. It doesn't accentuate any of the fine lines under the eyes. It just looks beautiful and it blends like a dream as well. While the under eye concealer is doing its thing, I'm going to go in with bronzer, and this is the Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow in medium bronze. I am obsessed with this stuff. I've been using this for years, ever since it was Solo Tan de Chanel, and you can see I need to get a new one because I use it all the time. So the whole reason for this look, like I mentioned, is that we want it to be fully glowy. So I'm not going to use really any powder products. The only powder I'm going to use is on my eyeshadow. Everything else is going to really be just glowy. Oh, I am going to use a powder highlighter as well. Now that bronzer is done, I'm blending in the under eye concealer and I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and spray it with the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. This is so good. I love this trick. I did this trick yesterday in my video. I will do a full in-depth video so you can see exactly what it looks like compared to if you just use a sponge, but this is just a game changer. And to set all of that concealer all around my eyes, I'm taking my Chanel Loose Powder. Absolutely love this stuff. Spoke about this yesterday as well. This creates such an airbrushed look. It's just incredible. I love how finely milled it is. And this powder puff as well, this is incredible. It's from e.l.f., super affordable, and it makes such a big difference as well. For blush and highlighter, I'm going to be extra glowy, so I'm taking the Tarte Maneater Blush and Glow Cheek Plump. Love this stuff. This is in the shade pink. I do also have another shade, I can't remember what it is, but honestly, I use this pretty much every single day for work because it's just so natural, but you can build it up, and it's a beautiful shade, and it also just makes you have such a healthy glow as well. And for highlighter, I'm taking 2 because I want this to be extra glowy. So I'm taking my illuminizer from Chanel again in shade Sunkissed, and I'm just going to press this on my cheekbone. So you don't need hardly anything of this. This is way too much that I put on here. I could literally use this for my collarbones and everything. So, oh yeah, that is way too much. So I'm just going to pop this on my cheekbones. Look at that glow. So you don't even need a powder highlighter, but I'm just going to use a powder highlighter anyway because I want to create an extra glow. And the powder highlighter that I'm setting all this into place with is the REM Beauty Miss Mercury highlighter. This stuff is incredible. I love this. I use it pretty much every single day. It's either this one or my Cab Cosmetics one that I'm always using. So I'm just taking a fan brush, getting as much as I can because there's a massive hole right there. And I'm just going to put this everywhere that I want highlighter. So what this is going to do, this is also going to set the liquid highlighter that I've put down and give an extra glow. And I'm just going to put it on the bridge of my nose, upper lip, under the brow bone, literally everywhere that you want. Eyeshadow is super easy. I'm using my Cab Cosmetics Naughty or Ice palette, which is this one. You probably can't see it because of the lights. But this one, it's still available on the website. You can see how much I use it because of Hit Pan on a couple of the shades. This is so good. So I'm just going to take Under Your Tree, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade. Like I said, this eye look is going to be super easy to do. And then I'm taking this shade, Mistletoe, right here, and this is a gorgeous gold shade, and I'm just going to take this on my finger. I'm going to pat this all over the lid. And then I'm just going to take a little bit on a brush because I want this to be not like a cut crease, but I want it to get all in the crease. And then I'm going back in with a highlighter and just taking this little brush here, and I'm just going to dig in and pop this on the inner corner. I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline using this Easy on the Eyes by Tarte, and this is in the shade brown. And then I'm using my mascara, which is the Tarte Tartelette Tube Mascara, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Just want to define my eyebrows a little bit, so I'm just going to take my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and my Busy Gal Brows from Tarte. I usually would just use this on its own if I wasn't wearing any eyeliner or anything like that, but today, because I do just want to sort of make them a little bit more tame, I'm going to go in with a micro brow. Makeup is almost completed, and the last thing to do are the lips, and I'm using 3 different products here. One of them you'll be able to guess exactly what it is, and the other ones you probably won't. So I'm going to go in with this Trusting Red lip liner from MAC, and I'm just going to line over my lips. And I'm taking my Chanel Ultra Tenue gloss in the shade 47 Daring Red. You've seen this for the last few years that I've been wearing this because I absolutely love it. I wear this Christmas Day. It lasts through eating, drinking, literally the entire day. And finally, I'm going to add some gloss, and this is from Victoria's Secret. It's a Sugar High Flavoured Lip Gloss. This is so beautiful. Just look at all of those glitters in there. If you can see, it is stunning. The smell is beautiful. It also tastes very nice as well. You're not meant to eat it, obviously, but sometimes it does go in your mouth. Makeup is complete, and this is what it looks like, and I love the amount of glow that I've added to this makeup look. It's so easy to recreate. Also, you can miss out some of the steps. You don't have to put on the bronzer and things like that. You don't have to put on as much highlighter, but this I feel like is the perfect amount of glow for Christmas. This is so beautiful. It's so stunning. And then also the lip gloss has some iridescent pink shimmer in there as well. So every single part of this look just has some glow to it. The foundation has glow. There's highlighter. The eyes have glow as well. The lips have glow. I just love everything about it, and I feel like it's nice because you're drawn straight to the lips. It's not straight to the eyes and the lips, and you don't really know what's going on. But yeah, I love it. I feel like it looks so beautiful. I'm going to be wearing this a lot throughout the Christmas period, even though we've only got 2 days left. So I feel like this is so easily wearable, and it's just so beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you recreate this look, then just let me know. And if you do have any video requests you want me to do, then just comment down below to let me know. And make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And happy holidays. Have a beautiful Christmas, everyone who celebrates the holidays, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.